All right, family, welcome back. It is Makisha Stiles, aka Kish, as your host once again for today. So what's going to be the topic for today? I'm going to show you how you can earn while you're learning. Because you notice in each and last video, I'm like, if you really want to become a Forex trader and just really learn the skill set of it, first you need to at least be pulling something in while you're learning. So let's go over to how to earn while you're learning. So how exactly do you do that? One, you want to go ahead and start researching educational companies. Now, there are a ton out there. When you're researching educational companies, you got to know exactly what to search for. And I'm going to tell you everything you need. So when you're researching them, you got to know what you want to look for. You want to look at the founders, research them and see, okay, where do they come from? And just research to see these are the type of people that you would want to be involved with, okay? Because remember, you're investing into it. So you want to know what the founders are like. You want to know the platform options. Do they provide just Forex trading? Do they do HFX? Do they offer different varieties where now you can have a choice? Because maybe Forex isn't for you, but maybe you might like HFX, which is a more fast-paced version of Forex. But see if they have different options. You want to see that they offer trade ideas. That's that learning while you're earning. Because they have trade ideas for you to copy. Now you can really focus, like I mentioned in every video, on honing down and actually learning this skill set and not having to worry about, let me see if I can still earn. No, because you just copy straight from the professionals. And while you're learning your strategy that you're going to learn, you're still able to bring in some type of profit through trade ideas. You want to also see they offer up live classes, because I don't know about you, but I like some live interaction sometimes. So I want to see, hey, even if it's virtual classes, like what do you offer? Well, if I do have a question, I'm not just watching video. I can actually hop on and ask you a question. So you want to see if they have live classes, whether it's virtually or in person. You want to make sure everything is recorded, because I'm pretty sure if you're like me, you kind of live a busy life or you got things going on, and you want to make sure they have recorded trainings or certain academies that are self-paced, okay? Because I'll learn at a certain pace, you might learn at a different pace. So you want to make sure they have some type of self-paced recorded trainings, and then you want to see what their community looks like. Like, do they even have a community? Is it somewhere where all their traders come together and they're able to ask each other questions and learn from each other? Because the community is very important when you come to trading the Forex market, because now you're in an environment of people who are learning the same thing you're learning. Okay, not somebody who's like, I ain't never heard of Forex, but if you're in a community of people who actually learn it with you, it really like shorten your learning curve. All right. So of course, that I do have my recommended one I talk about all the time, and that is xtreamfx Global Academy. It is the #1 recommended educational platform. Now, why? Because you notice that I normally give you something, then I tell you why. Okay, because I think it, like my nephew, he's 8, right? And you tell him to do something, he's like, why? Kids have to know why. So I want to do the same thing here. So why do I recommend xtreamfx Global Academy? Because I did my research. Now, I went and looked up the founders. Okay, so who are the founders? That's one of the questions, right? Who are the founders? Okay, you got Dynamite Sloan, Reagan Lynch, Megan Lynch. Yes, they're twins. Jacob Milkel. I went and researched each and last one of them. I was like, okay, what is it they bring to the table? They give me a classroom feel, which means that I don't feel like overpowered. So when I hop into their live classes, it's like I feel comfortable enough to ask questions. Because if you don't notice, I'm an introvert, so I feel comfortable to ask questions because of the intimate feeling that they give in the classrooms. Okay, and another thing too, you hear me mention my nephew. They are one of the only companies with a youth academy, and they're about to launch something big with the youth. Okay, so now when I'm coming in, because sometimes my nephew don't want to listen to me, but now if you have other youth as well, they tend to listen to them more. So now with me coming in trading, now I got my niece and nephews coming in trading. We're now creating some true wealth now, and it's all from one platform. And then I looked up to see where they were located at. A lot of these educational platforms, they overseas somewhere, they somewhere else. But here they're headquarters in the United States. Then I had to, because remember I started research each and last one of them, and I found out that between the 4 of them is over 56 years combined experience in the industry, and this company is 100% debt free. I was like, oh, debt free? That means that they really care about the company, and the funds are going back into the company. So that was a major plus for me. Then I had to figure out, okay, what actually does xtreamfx provide? Because I need to know this. So I need to know, okay, when I come into your platform, right, when I subscribe to your education, what is it that I get? So I had to look at it. So I know I saw, okay, I was getting something affordable. because you see some educational platform, they a pretty penny to invest in. You know, the education is always worth. I always advocate for education, but at these day and times, you want something affordable and you still getting quality education. So that's when I figured, okay, so me, I want to learn Forex, or it might be you as well. That's why you're in this video. I see that, okay, it's only going to be an investment of $99 for me to invest in, but what am I getting for that $99? So I had to research that. Okay, I'm getting the Forex Academy because I'm coming in learning Forex, right? I'm getting those trade ideas. So now I'm able to copy and paste while I'm learning. I'm also getting those live sessions. That's a plus for me. And then they have archive sessions. So even if I miss a live session, I still had an archive videos available, and that's a major plus. But then remember I mentioned that, okay, what other options would your educational platform provide? This I found out, okay, they do have what's called the dual student. Still very affordable, but now it's $139 to start and then $139 a month. So I'm like, okay, that's increased a little bit. So what do I get for that? I still get my FX Academy. Now I get to learn, if I never knew anything about it, HFX Academy. Now I'm getting double the trade ideas because now I'm not only am I getting FX, I'm also getting HFX, and then now I'm getting double the trainings, and then also I'm getting discounts on other things. And that's just at $139. And I was like, okay, I see you all offer a higher package, which is a $179. Still, in my opinion, very affordable because it's education. But what do I get now when I'm paying a little extra, which is $179? That's when I know that, okay, I still get my FX, right, my Forex. I still get my HFX. I get to learn about that. Now I get to get into binary options such as NADEX. So that's 3 different incomes I get to learn now. And then plus I get trade ideas on all of them, and still the live sessions, and then still the recorded sessions as well for just $179. So I was like, okay, this might be for me. And then I had to research further, because you also want to research one more thing I didn't mention is whether or not you're contracted to it. You know, do you have to stay in it for 6, 12 years? No, here is no contract. So once you get invest into this academy, you get started, what is it, $99, $139, or $179, you're able to counsel at any point in time, all right, anytime. So I definitely like that because they gave me the option, okay? So if I come into this and I'm like, I don't know, I still can counsel at any point in time that I want. So now, if you're actually, ready to start earning and learning, you only have to do 3 things. 3 things. Like I like to keep it nice and simple. The first thing, you want to go ahead and contact me for more info. Where's my information? It's right down in the description as always. You want to go ahead and open up your practice account. Remember, we speak about this in every video. You want to practice first, and that's with your MetaTrader 4 account. And then you want to just take action, okay? And whether you're taking part of XtreamFX Global Academy with myself or another academy, whatever it is, just make sure that you're taking action. It's very important, all right? So that is all for today. It's been Makisha Stiles, aka Kish, and I've been your host once again for today. And I hope you have found value in this video. And say if you ever want to contact me, my information is always in the description. And I'm looking forward to seeing each and last one of you in our XtreamFX Global Academy, or I see you on the next video.